Hello, hello, friends. Hope you are doing great today. Brit here with an upper body workout. We're going to be working out those arms and shoulders for you using a little bit of resistance. So I have some hand weights here. You can also use some bottles, cans, whatever you have available. Let's go ahead and get started with that warm up. And it is going to be some shrugs, bringing those shoulders up and down, and some rolls. Nice. And we are going to add in some toe taps. All right, so just find that rhythm, whatever's working for you. We are going to go ahead, find out what our body's looking for today, how we're feeling. That's what our warm-up is all about, finding that range of motion, letting our muscles and joints know, hey, we're going to get a little active here. Nice. Looking good. Now, you need to get a little neck roll in there too. We can do that. Tap it back. Nice. So taking those taps to the back, and back. Nice. Shrugging and rolling. Love it. All right, we're going to go ahead and extend that out a little bit. How about some arm circles? Nice and small arms out to the side, and we are just palms down, circles back, circles forward. Nice. Maybe some little bend in those knees, shaking those hips. Nice. Loving it. I'm here with the live crew this morning. Looking good. We're about halfway through our week. Woohoo! Wednesday. Looking good. How about flipping those arms? So palms are facing up. Nice. Get some little kickouts. Whatever feels good for you. Your warm-up, your workout, you do you. I got 4 movements coming up here for us, and we're going to run through them twice, 60 seconds each time. Nice. Let's go ahead. How about a little kickback with a little leg curl? Beautiful. Once those legs are moving, let's get a little push out. Nice. That can be one hand at a time or both, whatever we're feeling. And if you want to kind of take it up a little bit, see how far those arms are going to reach up today. Nice. Looking good. Looking good. Remember, if you want to join us for our morning workouts, you can jump over to BritHallFitness.com or exercise2feelgood.com and register for classes there. Nice. Looking good. In 3 and 2 and 1. Let's do a little windmill. So we're going to bring one arm over, other arm over as high as we can. Nice. Nice and slow. Beautiful. Forward. All right. Nice and slow. And back. Just finding that range of motion. Beautiful. This is going to be our last warm-up move, and then we're going to go ahead and grab those weights. Get started with our first movement. Looking good. Loving it. You can get a little twist to the side. Yeah, I see some people turning to the sides. That's cool. Seems like I kind of learned some new movements from you guys sometimes. I like it. All right, let's go 3 and 2 and 1. Shake it all out, wiggle it out, and let's grab those weights. All right, so first movement, bicep curls 3 ways. So we're going to start, arms right next to the body. Follow me. Palms up, just a standard bicep curl. Nice. We're going to come back down. We're going to put those palms facing each other. Nice, little hammer style curl. Then we're going to flip palms down and come up as high as we can. Beautiful, with a little Zottman curl. Love it. Let's go back to hammer. So we're just going to rotate through those hammer. Nice. Palms up. Beautiful. Nice and slow. Really concentrated on these movements, hammer style. Now, if any of these don't feel particularly wonderful to you, let's leave that one out. You know how we do it. Beautiful. Listen into that body. Beautiful. We got just about 15 seconds left here. Yes, nice. Keeping those shoulders down away from the ears. Beautiful. Palms up. Hammer style. Palms facing each other. And then that palms down Zottman curl. Beautiful. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Love it. Okay, next we're going to do a shoulder press, but we're going to change things up just a little bit. We're going to take those arms all the way up, and we're going to bring one arm down at a time. Now you can do a little twist if you like, or you can just have those palms facing into each other and just bring one arm down and one arm up at a time. Beautiful. 1 minute on this. We're already 10 seconds in. Beautiful. Nice job. One arm down and up, keeping it right close to the body. We want that weight just directly above the elbow at all times to make sure that it has that nice, powerful leverage. Beautiful. Looking good, crew. Just a little less than 30 seconds on this one. 60 seconds on each of these movements. I know that's a lot, so I want you to really slow it down, find what your perfect timing is on these. Usually about 2 seconds on each positive and negative motion. So as we come down, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Let's bring those arms down, shake it out. We're going to be pushing the hips back. We're going to do a bent over row. So arms are hanging down to the side. We're going to bring them nice and close to the body, and then we're just going to extend it out. Oh, yeah. It's that bent over row with a tricep extension. Hips are back. We want booty squeezed. Nice. Hold it back. Now, palms can be facing in towards each other when you go back into that extension. Or if you want to get a little spicy, you can turn those palms up to the ceiling. Oh, my goodness. Turn them back. Squeeze them in. Beautiful. Just about 25 more seconds here. And just for fun, we'll go ahead and do a nice hold on this extension on the next one coming up here. So let's go ahead, everybody. Find your way into that extension and let's hold it back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Nice. Yeah. Good job. All right. Last movement, L raises. So we're going to have one arm coming out into a front raise, one coming out to a lateral raise. All right. Switch. And we can call these catty corner or kitty corner or L raises, whatever we want to do. It's one front raise and one lateral raise. Everyone has a different name for it. I don't get really excited about whatever the names are. It's all movement and motion, and I'm all for it. All right, looking good. Little bend in those knees. So on these standing movements, we want to make sure we have a little bend in the knees, avoiding locking out those knees. Loving it. Yes. Keep it going. About 10 more seconds here, and then we're going to be all done with this round. Halfway through. Give me 3, and 2, and 1. Nice job. Looking good. How are we feeling? Go ahead and grab a drink or a towel off if we need, and we're going to start back with those bicep curls 3 ways. All right, little bend in the knees. Here we go. Upper arms attached to that body, and here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Curl it up. Palms facing up. All right, next we're going to face those palms into each other, hammer style. Time. Nice, and then facing down to the ground. Zopman curl. Nice. 60 seconds this round. Beautiful. Loving it. When we're done with these curls, it's going to be the end of that movement. We're going to hit those last 3 movements, and I got a nice little stretch for us. At the end, of course, always a little warm up and cool down included in our workouts. Love it. Looking good. All right, about 20 seconds. Nice. Beautiful. You guys are looking so great. I love it. Yes. Coming up, 10 seconds. Hammer style. Flip it down, Zopman curl, palms down. And we've got 3, and 2, and 1. Nice job. We're going to go ahead and take those shoulders back and down, all the way up with those arms. Beautiful. Little bend in the knees. One arm down at a time. Back up again. Nice. Holding one arm up in that full shoulder press. Now remember, we can do that little twist if you like, if that's your jam. You can twist it down, palm face in, palm face out, palm face in, palm face out. Whatever feels good for you. Need a break at any time? Go ahead and take one. Pick it up whenever you like. We got about 20 seconds left here. 2 more movements after this. Nice job. 10 seconds. Nice and controlled. You guys are looking great. 3 and 2 and 1. Bring it all the way down. We're going for that bent over row. Pushing the hips back. Little bend in those knees. Arms down to the side. We're going to pull those arms nice and back. Elbows back bent. Extend it out. Tricep extension. Looking good. Now I want your gaze, even though I'm looking at you guys in the camera, I want you guys looking straight forward. Gaze about, 4 to 5 feet out in front of you on the ground. Nice. Breathe it out as you extend those arms back. Remember, you can take palms up for a little added spice there. Beautiful. We're getting into that about 20-second range here. What are we thinking? Should we hold for that last 10 seconds? I know, you guys are all into that. Okay, here we go. Getting ready for that 10 seconds. Come on up, come on up. Getting ready for that tricep extension and take it back. 10, 9, 8, 7, booty squeeze, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job. Last one, L raises. Here we go. All right, we got one arm coming up into that front raise, one going out, 2. Lateral raise, loving it. Last movement, and we're going to drop those weights. Well, we're not going to drop, we're going to put them down. I had a video a couple of weeks ago where I dropped them. I don't want to be doing that, especially I don't wear shoes when I work out. So nice and tight. Beautiful. Loving it. Okay. We got just about 30 seconds left here. We feeling this? Are we ready for those stretches? Yes, I see some nods. Looking really good. Oh my gosh, we are getting ready for those sleeveless shirts. All right, 10 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Carefully place those weights down, and let's go ahead and get some stretches on. Nice. Now, when we work with weights, I like to start with a nice little wrist twist. Beautiful. Just making sure everything's feeling good. We want to do a nice palm out stop, little stop sign, and then pressing on that palm, nice and light, and then hands down. Again, pressing out with that hand, giving our wrist just a little bit of a stretch and a workout there. Other side. Nice. Yeah, looking good. Deep breaths in and out, shoulders back. Nice. Hands down. Looking good. We're going to go ahead and hit that IYTW stretch. So arms all the way up. You're a big, nice I. I. Deep breath in, shoulders back away from those ears, head up. Extend those arms out into a Y. Nice. Reaching out a little bit. We're going to bring it down into that T. Arms out to the side, palms up. Bring those elbows in for a nice little W. Looking good. Beautiful. And back out. Let's flip those palms down this time. Extend it out. And then clasp them behind the back. Nice. Hold there just for a moment. Nice deep breath. We're going to take those arms up for a nice tricep extension. If we were doing those holds today at the end of those bent over rows, tricep extensions, we're going to be sure and get this in. Oh, yes. Nice and light. Just a finger or two on that elbow. Keep that tricep nice and high. Upper arm right next to the body. Beautiful. Little bend in those knees. Change it out. Great job. We are almost done here. Just got our hugs to finish up. Thank you for joining me here for our arm and shoulder workout. We're going to open it up for those hugs. Get you on with your day. One arm over the other. Beautiful, shoulders away from the head. Deep breath in. Open it up. And let's take that other arm atop. A little bend. Pat on the back. Great job, crew. Get out there. Have a wonderful day today. Peace. And I will see you tomorrow.